Bye.
What's your name?
My name is Yusuf.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Morocco.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I do. I have a brother.
What's your brother's name?
My brother's name is Kareem.
How old is he?
He is 15 years old.
That's nice. That's nice.
How about you? Do you have a family?
I have a father, a mother, and one sister. My father's name is John. My sister's name is Emma. She is 10 years old.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Do you want to play video games after school?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Let's go!
Okay.
Fun stories every day, learning while we laugh and play. If you like the tales we share, click subscribe and join us there.
Where do you like to learn English?
English Spotlight